This is called sphere. Now, if I draw a circle here, what we call for the form? This is what? Circle. And this is a sphere. So, how you will convert it to sphere? It will be by a shading. It is not possible to draw any other drawing. Sphere is a just we have to put the shade into that. Alright? This circle can be a flat, it can be a hollow, it can be a deep, it can be anything. But when we will add a shade into this, it will convert into sphere form, right? So for example, if I draw a circle here, supposed to be there are circles, and my light source is from here, light source is from here. So what I am doing, I am giving a shade. There will be a very light shade I am putting on the one side opposite to a light source. Okay, so suppose this is what the one layer from here to here. I'm overlapping the layer, I'm giving an extra shade on that and making little darker from the one side. Alright, so I'm adding the shade into this. Now this will be a second layer. I'm adding one more shade over here and I'm making it more dark. I'm making my sphere more dark. Slowly, so this is what the very basic work. No shading skills I'm showing into this. One more layer I have put the 4 times shade over here. So I'm getting darker. Now what happening? We are getting something roundedy form in the circle. Here this white line which I have showed here, it's not an purposely I have kept it purposely, rather it's not an by mistake, it's a purposely I kept. Why? Because the light comes from here and when it spreads it reflects from the back side. See, for example, when I am touching it, the sphere has a no side, it doesn't touch in a one side kind of, it touch into the point, right? When the sphere is touching in a one point, when we put the light from here, for example, if I am putting my light over here, what is happening? We are finding a very blur line opposite to side. If you make your eyes this way, you will find that there is a very blur line. Why it happened? Because the light is through from the area which is from the down and it is has a reflect on the top. Alright, so this is the reason whenever you draw any kind of sphere forms like any fruit hai, anything, you have to follow this thing. You have to keep the opposite side reflect light anyhow, then only your picture will be a seen right, otherwise it will not look like a sphere. Any queries for this? Are you sure?